Really quick to add on to the previous question, remember I was telling you it was a 30, 60, 90 triangle. The 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem is saying how if you have a right triangle, the hypotenuse is going to be 2 times the length of the short leg, and the long leg is going to be the length of the short leg times the square root of 3. If I had that memorized, I would have been able to do, I could have done that previous problem so much faster and wouldn't have to do the SOHCAHTOA. So here, this is the previous little triangle of that hexagon and the circle. I just did the triangle part so I could show it to you. Remember how the long part, the hypotenuse, was 16 units long? Well, the short length would have just been half that, so 8. So I didn't have to do sine of the angle equals this over this, which came out to be 8. I could just, boom, 8. And this was going to be the short leg times the square root of 3. So I didn't have to do cosine of the angle of this was 30 equals this over this, and solve for that side. This theorem just gave me the numbers. So if I had that memorized, that would have been much more helpful. Or if I had my notes opened, the power of notes, guys. Make good notes and use them. It just makes things faster and a whole lot easier. Yeah, now you got both ways to solve for the triangles and for all the sides and everything.